Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X30, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings. From there, scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, Reset Options, and then choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. In doing so, will remove basically all the data from your device. That includes your accounts, system app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if you want to keep any of that, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Erase All Data, do that again, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute to like 5 minutes, and once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your devices however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.